shelled the first load of corn for the 2016 season. And wouldn't you know it, the weather forecast has changed for this week. 2 days ago, the forecast for all of this week was clear and sunny, highs in the mid-70s. Well, I get up this morning, it is cloudy. Look at the forecast, and we have a chance of rain every single day this week. I think I'm going to be okay for today. I just checked the radar screen, nothing nearby. Looks like showers rolling in this evening, chance of rain tonight into tomorrow morning. So maybe I can shell some tomorrow afternoon, and then rain again Wednesday, just a chance, and another chance on Thursday. So we'll see how it goes. We'll hope for the best. I've got my blower over here, so I can blow off the combine when I'm done. So if it does rain, all of that trash is not sitting on that combine to get wet and compacted. It just makes it more difficult to clean the combine at the end of the season. I see the neighbor out there planting, I guess he's planting cover crop. That's a cornfield they cut last week. And he told me he was getting about 150 bushels to the acre on that corn. And he planted that corn the same week that I planted my corn that I'll be shelling today. But two different types. Well, no. The soils are probably about the same, but the distance between the two farms is about, I think it's about 8 or 9 miles. And this year that made a huge difference in the rain. So we'll see. As I said, he got 150 bushels to the acre is what he told me. I don't think what I'll be shelling today is going to be that good, but we'll see. Okay, stay tuned for more. I think there will be more. I hope there will be more. Okay, I'm gonna take another moisture sample here. See what we've got. And I always like to take two. Take the average. So this one is 16%. So that's better. I can live with that. And this is with the new batteries. This one is 16.8. So let me take one more. That is 16.5, so I would say 16.5 is probably the average. Yep, we've got the first load out, so I'm going to take this down to the farm, dump it in the bin, and get this unloaded. The best I can tell at the moment is that it's yielding about, based on the length of the rows, about 110 to 120 bushels to the acre. That's what I'm guessing at the moment, but you never really know until you've finished the field and run all the calculations. But that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Okay, no rain yet. Stay tuned. the truck. This will be the second load, and I think I'm going to leave it on the truck and take it up to Purdue first thing tomorrow morning. It's supposed to be raining tonight after midnight anyway, so I'll take it up to Purdue. That'll give me a more accurate reading on the moisture on my tester versus theirs. Give me an idea what the test weight is. And I've got a haul for it anyway. I don't have storage for all of it, so I just may as well do it now while I can, while I'm not in a hurry, while it's raining, you know,